Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix text notification sound not working on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, you will see notification is here. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on notification. After turn on notification, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix text notification sound not working on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.